Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ferris, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to day trade cryptocurrency. Within this video I'm going to go over one simple pattern, and I'm going to elaborate on it a little bit in detail for you guys. And then if you guys want more videos on how to day trade cryptos with other patterns, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I just want to keep it simple and basic for anyone who's new to trading. But before I get into that, I want to say thank you guys for all the tremendous support. I can't thank you guys enough. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the content and let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. And I hope we have a great 2018 together. Furthermore, I want to discuss that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say and do is basically my own analysis, what I do. You guys take it how you want it, but don't invest on anyone's opinion, especially mine. Invest on your own, opinion. Put your hard-earned money behind what you want to do. Don't ask for people to buy and sell and all that good stuff. You have your own brain, you're your own man, you're your own woman, you can make your own mind up. If you can't, don't trade at all. Without further ado, let's get started. So basically I'm using Binance. If you guys aren't familiar with that, feel free to sign up, links in the description. It's Bitcoin's medium of exchange instead of the dollar, obviously. So if you guys don't have Bitcoin or are new to it, go to my channel, I'll show you guys how to buy Bitcoin and transfer it into Binance, just how to buy Tron, how to buy Ripple. It's fairly simple. I don't want to get this video too clogged up with all that information. But the pattern we're going to be discussing is the bull flag. As you guys can see, this is the bull flag. It's one easy pattern, and we'll go further in depth on some more patterns in later videos. But this is the bull flag. This has worked so many times. I'll show you guys so many examples on how it's just been making people kill their money. Because guess what? It's a bull market. So you want to look for bull flags. So easy, guys. Basically, what it is when a stock or basically a crypto, it's the same thing in the stock market, goes up and has a period of rampant run, and then it comes sideways with low volume, okay, and then it's the first green candle to make a new high, okay. So you can see this candle makes a new high, it pops. It does the same thing here. You keep first green candle, make a new high, pops, comes out again, pops, and sometimes you'll see stocks or cryptocurrencies do this 3-4 times in a row. It's awesome. It's a great way to, get in and out. Take your profits, buy more. Take your profits, buy more. And I'm gonna show you guys how to identify it. But first, I want to go into what a candlestick is. So basic, candlestick, terminology is the green candlestick is this is the body, this whole square right here, this rectangle. This is we'll do on this one. This is the open. This is the close for the given time frame. This being a day. This is the low point. This is the high point given in that day. On the red candle, it's the opposite. This is the open. The top is the open. This is the close. This is the low. This is the high. Okay, fairly simple. Okay, and for you guys who don't know anything about candlesticks, I recommend just Google searching Steve Neeson candlestick course. Download the first link, read that, and you'll learn. You'll learn a lot. And also for you guys who don't know how to access the advanced page, all you do is go to Binance Exchange Advanced, and it'll take you to exactly where I am here. Okay, so basically what a bull flag is just this, it's the first green candle to make a new high is your buy entry. So right when it makes this new high, you buy in. You could see, guys, I tell you time and time again, anything I recommend, I always do. I don't BS anyone, I'm straight up. I bought in here at 961, you can see timestamp January 4th, today is January 4th. Bought it in like midnight, and I sold up here at like 10. I made 100 sats, which was about like $30, $40, easy money, okay? And you can see this pattern just works time and time again. We'll see it. You see it on the Poet coin. We'll see it on another one here too. Let me erase that. Tron, same pattern. Comes up, consolidates, first green candle, make a new high. Boom, breakout. You sell into the breakout. Okay, and you don't have to day trade these. You can trade these for as long as you want. Same thing here. Consolidates, first green candle, make a new high. Boom, you buy in. Boom, breakout. That's on fuel. It just gets better and better, guys. You'll see how easy this is. First candle, make a new high. Boom, right here, you buy in, you wait it out. Boom, you get the breakout. Easy, guys. It's very, very simple. First new candle, make a new high. You see flat bottoms here on the daily. First green candle, make a new high was this candle here. You buy in, boom, you could sell up in there. Very simple. Fun, beautiful one. Look, okay. Does it here, right here. Boom, breaks out, gets that. Then you get another one, comes down, first new green candle, make a new high, you buy in at 696, you could sell at 1300 and make double your money in literally 2 days time. You can't get that anywhere else, guys. It's really hard to do that in the stock market. It's easy enough to do it in the crypto market, and this is why I'm showing you guys a simple pattern. Same thing on CND. First green candle, make a new high right here. Boom, breaks out, pulls back, does another bull flag, breaks out, you buy in here, you sell. Boom. Very easy, guys. It's very simple. I hope you guys are seeing this pattern. I'm not trying to go too in depth. I just want to show you guys an obvious pattern that's happening over and over and over and over in every single cryptocurrency, guys. It's so simple and it's so easy, and if you guys aren't using it to profit, I don't know what you're doing. Same, this is a bull flag that just broke out right here. Boom, bull flag comes up, consolidates to the side, first green candle, make a new high, boom, you're good. That's your entry. It just keeps happening. Like I can keep showing you guys over and over and over again right here. Same thing, guys. So it's great. It's awesome. Let me show you ADA. This one was probably the most beautiful one. So you can see it comes up, spikes, consolidates, first green candle, make a new high. This was like at 45 cents and now it's at $1.22, $1.15. So guys, this is the power of these candles and the bull flag pattern in this market, the cryptocurrency market. You can use this to day trade. You can use this to invest, you know, long term or swing trading. And it's very easy. This is just the daily chart pattern, and this is why I just want to keep it simple for you guys, because I know a lot of people are new to this. We can go into the hourly. We can show you how it looks in the hourly later, but this is just a simple pattern. It's called the bull flag. I will show some images on screen, but I showed you guys numerous examples of it happening over and over again. So that's what you want to look for. That's on the daily chart. You can also see it on the hourly as well. If you guys want more videos on how that looks like, I will go in depth more into that, but I just want to make this very simple, very brief. The daily chart keeps out a lot of mess with the cryptos. You get that a lot on the hourlies and stuff. So that's the daily chart. That's what I'm looking at, and that's really it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. Make sure to share it with friends and family so they can educate themselves. They can learn. I only provide value. I don't provide nonsense and BS. Only value to you guys, and I love you guys. I appreciate everything you've done for me. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are having a great new year, and let's make that money, boys. Peace.